Hi, my name's Caitlin and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a hair tutorial on how I curl my hair. I actually get a lot of questions in real life about how I curl my hair, so I wanted to kind of show it on my channel, and if anybody ever asks me again in real life, I can refer them here. So, anyway, I just wanted to sort of show how I do my hair. My hair is very, very long and naturally wavy. I don't have any extensions, so I thought it'd be good to show people with long hair how to curl their hair, although it is definitely applicable to people with shorter hair too. You just don't have as much length to go down. If you want to learn how to get like soft, loose waves, then keep watching, and if you're interested in seeing more videos from me, definitely check out the other videos on my channel and maybe subscribe so that you can see any new videos that I put up. I'm hoping to get a new video up at least once a week, so if you're interested in seeing that, definitely subscribe. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's @Madden, and yeah, so if you want to see how I curl my hair, just keep watching. Bye. Alright, so when I start my hair, I start with it about 80% dry, and the only thing that I have in it is this one from Revlon. It's a hair treatment that has like 10 benefits. It's for anti-frizz, heat protection, silkiness and smoothness, etc. And I just start by rough drying my hair, so I'm not going to like use a round brush or anything. I'm just sort of going to dry it downward so that I get rid of all the frizziness before I start curling. It's pretty much dry, I'm going to spray some extra heat protectant in, and this is just the Chi Iron Guard. It's for flat ironing, but it works for curling because it's just heat protection. So I'm just going to spray that throughout all of my hair. And just brush it through. Alright, now to start curling. So I'm just going to clip up the top section of my hair. I'm just going to go back from like from my temples-ish and meet my thumbs in the middle, and then just pull all of that up. I'm just going to sort of throw it in a little top knot on top of my head. Right. And now I know everybody uses like really fancy curling irons like the GHD ones or the dry bar ones, but this is a Remington curling iron. It was like $35 at Target, and it works just the same, I'm sure. I mean, I know those ones have benefits for your hair and stuff, but it ends up just being curly like any other curling iron would make it. And I think it's totally fine. It's tapered from, I think, 1.5 inches down to 1 inch, which I really like because it helps to create big loose waves, and I only keep it at 360. I don't like to go up any higher than that because then it makes the curls a lot tighter the higher heat that you're using, plus higher heat is bad for your hair, so we're going to keep it at 360, and yeah, we're going to start curling. I'm just going to brush out this bottom section. My hair gets knotted so quickly, so just make sure there's no knots in there. And we have heat protectant in, and I'm just going to start by taking a piece from the back. I'm going to take about an inch thick piece of hair from the back, and when I start in the back, I go all the way up to the root, and I curl it around, and I'll hold it horizontally just because it's easier than trying to maneuver my hand around to hold it vertically. And then I'll just hold it for a few seconds, let it go, and drop it behind me. And I switch sort of on and off, curling one backward, Curling the next one forward. Holding it. And then letting it go. It does work better if you start with slightly dirty hair. I mean, like, I just washed my hair, so sometimes I will spray a texturizing spray or hairspray in before, but I think it'll probably hold fine. And then take the next piece, put it behind your hair, and wrap it toward the back. Hold it, let it go, take the next piece, put it in front of the hair, and wrap it toward the front. And this is, we're staying up toward the root for the bottom layer. We're going to change that as we get closer to the face and toward the top layers. And the closer that I get to the face, I normally will have everything going backward away from the face. So right now, I'm going to take this one away from the face and the next one away from the face as well. Okay. And then I'm going to bring that hair forward. I'm not going to brush it out yet. And I'm just going to flip my hair to the front and sort of comb it out with my fingers so that everything melds together and doesn't look so singular. And we're going to take the next section down, and you can totally section off. You can totally section off more hair into different little clips, but I'm lazy and I like to just do one clip and then rearrange. So just take pretty much from ear to ear, pull that part down, hold this, pull it up into a little twist. What we're doing, the farther back the hair is, the higher up I'll go. So I'll still continue to have this pretty close to the root. And I'm curling that back, and then the next piece I'll curl forward. This is sort of where your ear is. Maybe drop it down about where your ear ends. So curling that back. Alright, so this last section I will take pieces that are a little bit smaller than an inch, and I'll just bring that up to about the mid part of my ear, and I'll curl everything away from my face. And then when I get to my bangs, I'll take the curling iron on an angle and just wrap it around like twice toward my eye. Like on an angle from my eye is what I mean. And wrap it around and then mold that into the rest of my hair because I'm growing out these bangs and I don't want them to be that noticeable. And that is it for that side. Then I just take my fingers and sort of finger comb everything together so that all becomes loose. And then after I'm done, the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put in some texturizing spray. This is the Triple Sec from Dry Bar. It's a 3-in-1 texturizer, amplifier, and refresher, so it has dry shampoo in it as well. And I'm just going to take that at the root, and I'm going to lift up parts of my hair and just spray a little in and then fluff it around. And this will just help it not look so polished. I don't really take this through the ends because I feel like it makes it feel a little powdery. But I like the volume and texture it gives my roots. So I'll just sort of fluff it up. And then I sort of just pull everything through the ends. And then this hair could last me probably like 5 days with dry shampoo. When I curl my hair, it pretty much stays curled for a long time. Like with this curling iron especially, it holds the curl really well. It will get looser throughout the days if you brush your hair, obviously. But yeah, this is pretty much what I do. This is how I prefer to wear my hair almost every day when I want to heat style it. I have really wavy hair naturally, so I really like a more polished curl. But yeah, if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hopefully I'll have new videos out at least once a week. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's @KateMadden. I'll link everything below. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something and I hope you'll try it out. Bye!